I've done that.
Okay, the next one is DPS
Dolly
Silchar,
ma'am, good afternoon.
Athena Chaudhary.
Archana, we can wait now. Archana, Kajal, we can just wait
Yes,
for
yes,
some
yes,
time.
All right,
yes,
all right,
yes.
sir.
Dolly ma'am, you're connected.
Hi, Swati, this is Aditya. Could you please upgrade Sharmila from Quizcraft?
Yeah, I'm doing it. I've just
to panelist?
upgraded Dolly ma'am also, and I'm upgrading. Yeah.
Okay,
What do
all
I
three
make
of
her?
us-
I make her a co-host?
Yeah, all three of us to be made.
Okay,
co-
fine. I just do it. I just do it.
Thank you.
I've done it for Sharmila. I'm doing it for Aditya and for Kunal as well.
Yes.
Okay, I'm
Great.
done.
Thank you.
Dolly ma'am, I've promoted you as a panelist.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good
Dolly ma'am, your
afternoon.
camera needs to be set. We are
I
just.
need to put it off. How do I?
Okay,
I
ma'am.
can't
Okay,
find
Dolly
it.
ma'am. Good enough. No issues. Yeah, no issues.
अब हो गया, हो गया. Now it's okay. Thanks.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do we proceed with today's agenda that we have?
How many of your participants are there?
Ma'am, we are able to see around 50 attendees.
58.
No, 58. No. How many schools have come in?
That's what we need to.
Just
Yeah,
check.
Kajal, can you just count how many schools do we have in specific?
Yes, I'm doing that.
Because Swati, you have 36 schools.
Yes, ma'am.
So
And ma'am,
36
as of
plus
now,
30.
I can see 51 attendees.
That would be double, junior and senior.
Anji, yes, ma'am. So
Yes,
it should
ma'am,
be
you're right. You're right.
around 70. Yeah, we should have around 70. So we wait for some time, ma'am.
Just wait for 5 minutes and then.
Okay, ma'am. And in the meantime,
Can you find out the schools that are not there
that's what I'm doing, ma'am. I'll just check it in the group and ask them to join fast.
and join fast, or maybe somebody could call them on the side and make sure that they are there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Rajneesh Kumar, so if you could just write it in the chat, you're from which school? You've joined it from your own name. Mr. Rajneesh Kumar.
All the participating schools are requested to please in the chat box along with your name, write their school name so that we can rename your names. We have been requesting this for long now. Please do it. We are running out of time.
Swati, I have noted down 23 schools and rest are their personal names. 23 schools are there in the meeting now.
So we can just refer to the chat and we can rename them.
Yeah.
I have done for most of them, only few of them are left.
And just tell them that they need all uppercase words. Just mention in case they've not done it. They have to write capital letters everywhere.
When you're renaming or when you're logging in all the schools, please do it using uppercase and no smaller cases. Okay, your first name has to be DPS and your place, and your second name when you are registering and joining for the finale day, it has to be DPS, your school name, last name has to be senior, first name of both your participants. Please strictly stick to it so that we don't have to do this on the finale day. We'll not be having time to do this on the finale day. So it's a request to all the participating schools to stick to this.
And how you can do it in your login ID, you can just change the first name and the last name.
Kajal, how many attendees are we seeing now?
52.
52.
And I've almost renamed all of them. So if I could request Archana ma'am to just count the schools.
I think you have 10 less schools just now.
Kajal, from chat you are saying asking or from attendees?
No, yeah, from the participant list. From the participant list only, you can just count the names of the schools.
Okay.
There are 25 schools.
Mr. Varij Khare, if you can tell me you are from which school? Mr. Varij Khare, if you can tell me you are from which school? Also, Miss Sudipta Paul, if you can just tell me you're from which school, write the name of the school, please. Miss Sudipta Paul.
Kajal, Varij Khare, DPS Bokaro,
I've done.
you have to correct. है ना?
Done. I've done it. I've done it.
Dolly ma'am, do we wait for another 2-3 minutes?
Just 2-3 minutes and then let's start, because
Then we'll start. And ma'am, if there's anything else, if any school has missed out, I'll take it up and help them out.
And maybe in between, if Aditya is there, he could start off and speaking to the, the different schools, because then he will move out to the other, and then you can continue on even after.
Yes,
3.
for sure. We
So
can
then
go
he can
ahead
go on
with
to the
it.
next
Yeah.
school. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We can
Is
do it.
Aditya there?
Yeah, he's there. He's there. Aditya's there, Sharmila's there, and Kunal is here.
So maybe you could just start a little and then hand it over to him after
Yes,
some
ma'am.
time.
I'll just go with the basic introduction of the
Yes,
entire
start.
thing, and then I think I'll hand it over to Aditya sir. I'll do it. I hope my presentation is visible to each one of you.
Yes,
Yes,
I can see it.
it's there.
Yeah. Okay. So I welcome all the participating schools to Zone 4 Inter-DPS Quiz 2020 trial. And this is just to give you all a sneak peek into how we are going to go about in our finale day. And first of all, like I have repeatedly been saying, be very careful while you all are logging in, while you all are registering. See, for the finale, you'd be given 2 links and not just 1 link. One link is going to be for the senior and the another link is going to be for the juniors. So please register and log in using the first name and last name nomenclature, which I had just mentioned, and I'll put the nomenclature even in the WhatsApp group that we have already made. So please be very careful about it. Kajal, you can please turn off your camera.
Yes.
Yeah. And as you all know, even though, I mean, it's not really important, but still, I'll just briefly go through all the slides. Your finale day is on the 15th of October. And the timeline, I would be just showing you all in next few slides. And you all are very much aware of your themes, nature and wildlife of India for juniors, science and technology of India for seniors. And your day is like 15th of October. And today was your, trial day. See, there are a few do's and don'ts already given for the students, those who are participating. The schools have an option of joining the finale either from their schools or from respective homes of any of one participant. But the point is that both the participants and the coordinator of the school have to be at one place, and they have to join through a single ID, and all of them have to be represented on a single screen. None of you can do it from a different screen. So this has to be noted down very carefully. All 3 or 4 of you have to be at the same place and on the same screen. You all are going to share the same screen. And then one thing is that all the school students have to join in their school uniforms. Please be very careful. And you all have to, yes, be wearing your masks. It's mandatory for you all to be wearing your masks. Don't just miss it out. And then if I just very fast come on the steps that we are going to have for our this quiz is we'll be having it in 2 phases. One is going to be prelims, other one is going to be the finals for the zone, finals for the zone. In the prelims round, as it's given here, you would be given few questions for which you'd be given 15 seconds to answer, and the answers are going to be just typed on the chat box. You're going to answer in the chat box. You'd just see a start, and after 15 seconds, you'll see a stop. After stop, any answer would not be acceptable. You all know that. So just be fast in answering, as fast. Say now, if we have many schools with similar answers, probably the quiz master would go for the ones which were the fastest. I suppose Aditya sir, this is how it's going to be. So the schools need to be really fast in answering their answers and not going heavy. Okay. And only one first answer is going to be acceptable for the question. So just don't go for multiple answers. Just stick to one answer. Be very careful while typing your answer. And no answer after stop is going to be acceptable. This is how your prelim round is going to happen. Once the prelim round is done, you all would have to wait. And after the calculation and all the corrections done, the quiz master would come up with 6 finalist teams which are going to face the finale, on which they are going to be on the screens. They are going to be the panelists on the screens. Okay. And then the questions are going to be put on them. See, for that also, there are certain rules that we had just laid out. And it was that all the students, first of all, have to show their hands free on the screen. You cannot have your hands here and there. Your hands have to be hands free on the screen. I mean, whichever ways, your hands should be visible on the screen. The best thing would be just tide your hands across. So please be very careful about it. Like I already mentioned, top scoring 6 teams are going to qualify. And there would be, again, I'll just read this out. Teams, I think Aditya sir would probably be going through all the technicalities of the quiz. So I'm just skipping it as of now. And I think, yeah, quiz etiquettes for students. Students will be in a proper school uniform for the quiz. Students should sit in a quiet and well-illuminated space with sufficient light on their faces. There should be no light facing the camera, obviously. Students should sit comfortably. Both team members should be visible in a single frame, which I've already mentioned during the entire quiz. No movement here and there would be allowed at all. And this would be taken as not a very fair thing to do during the quiz. Each student should keep their drinking water handy. The point here is that you're not supposed to move here and there when you are on the screen. So please be very careful about it with your hands free and showing on the screen. Your hands should all the time be showing on the screen. And students should listen carefully to all the instructions and always play fair. Now, playing fair is something which is really, really important. Any foul play found would totally be, the quiz master's call. We'd all have to abide with whatever the quiz master says. So please refrain from going into any unfair means. Please refrain. Then I would just straight away, this is something really important, which I think most of the schools have already done. The participating students should have consent to move away from their homes for the quiz day. So please ensure that the schools have the consent as per this form shown here on the screen, which is already shared with all the schools. So please be very particular about it. None of the students without consent are allowed to participate in the quiz. Please ensure, all the coordinators need to ensure this. Okay. Then I think this is a timeline. This is a timeline which again, I think Aditya sir also would take up, but very fast I just go through. 8 a.m. Okay, we initiate the meeting. 8:30. All the junior, participating teams need to assemble in the meeting. 8:45. Okay, zonal host allows schools entry into quiz session. 9 a.m. Zonal host welcomes all teams to the session and hands over proceedings to, and now then QGKS would take over from the host school. So 9 a.m. is the time when actually we would be giving it up to QGKS. Then 10 a.m. zonal host asks teams to exit the meeting room. Now see, after this, you all need to exit the meeting room. Fine, 10 a.m. would be the time where you're leaving the room, and that is the time dedicated for evaluating and scoring. 10:30 again, senior prelim quiz begins, same as junior prelims, and 11:30 a.m. same as junior prelims. Fine, it ends, and 11:30 a.m. QGKS checks responses, tabulates scores, and shares list of senior finalists with zonal host. Zonal host communicates with the finalists and asks them to reassemble for zonal final later. So that would be intimated to you all. Okay, and this is how the timeline goes. Now, 12:30 p.m. zonal host allows entry of junior finalists into the quiz session. Now see, now 12:30 p.m. we have announced the finalists, and now the junior finalists would join the session again. Okay, and 12:45 the junior finale begins. QGKS explains quiz rules and begins with this junior quiz. 2:15, zonal host asks teams to exit the meeting room. 2:15, break for system resetting. Like again, we need to reset the system for the senior quiz. 2:45, senior finale begins. 4:15, again it ends, and 4:15 p.m. Board of Thanks and closing. So this is the timeline for zonal quiz session 2020 Zone 4. So I would like to thank you all for patiently going through the instructions. And Aditya sir, I think now I can just hand it over to you.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah?
We'll pick
Okay.
it up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Swati ji. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this, basically a get to know what the program is session. We're going to briefly repeat or take you through the process as you already understood it. And I think all schools have already got, if not all, most of the information that was shared right now with you. So you're well aware of whatever's been discussed. I'll tell you a couple of points that we have noted and we would like to reiterate. First of all, please be very careful about the nomenclature of the teams. One second, let me just put on my video and then you can see me also. Yeah, that's what I look like if you can see me. So there's an established format for all participants in the quiz to be named. So it has to be DPS, your location, then space JQ or SQ as for junior quiz, senior quiz, space name of first participant, space name of second participant. Please have all this filled out in block letters. Keep your caps lock on for this. And it's good that if your caps lock is on for answering the question in the preliminary round as well. It's easier for us to read your answers. Okay. Then all schools for the prelim round need to be attendees, not panelists, because we don't want them to see each other's answers. Your answers have to come in only as texts to the panelists. Okay. So make sure when you're giving your answers, it is going to all panelists, not to all attendees and panelists. Otherwise, everyone manages to see what everyone else has done and there's ample scope for just copying answers. Okay, now the way it will run is we will show you the questions on screen. I will read out the questions. Then I will put in a line saying start answering question 1 now or start answering question 2 now. Your answers as the teams need to come in after that sign goes up. That's like the opening of the gate. We will consider for scoring only the answers that we get after that start answering sign has gone out. Any answer that come in before that will not be considered for scoring. So please be very careful about this. This is because if we don't have entry and closure gates for the answers, we don't know which question has been answered with what answer, right? So we need to know that question 1 starts now, the answers come in, then at the end of the allotted time, which is 15 seconds, I will put out another sign saying stop. And that will be the end of the answering time. Any answers that come in after that will not be entertained again. So you need to be just careful about starting and stopping. You will get 15 seconds from the time that we open the gate till the time the gate is closed. It will never be less than 15 seconds. Okay. I will put that sign, stop sign out only after 15 seconds are over on our clock. So you will never get less than 15 seconds to answer. Okay, in case there is a tie on points, because all questions are worth 1 point, then there are no negative marks. In case there is a tie, there will be some star questions. Now these star questions will be used to resolve the tie break between 2 teams for qualifying. As Swati ma'am said, 6 teams will make it through to the final from the entire lot that participates in the prelim round. If there is a tie, even after the star questions are considered, we will call the teams in at the time of the final and have a sudden death on chat, where the first correct answer that comes in will be given the points. Okay, it shouldn't take more than 1 or 2 questions to resolve the tie in that case, if at all we have one at that level. Okay, just to repeat, all answers to be given in block letters as well. And the answering times for questions 1 to 5, which are multiple choice questions, the answering time will be 15 seconds. For questions number 6 to 15, which are direct oral questions, the answering time is also 15 seconds. For questions number 16 to 20, which are visual based questions, we are increasing the answering time so that you get a little more time to spend with the images, which are important. We will increase it to 20 seconds. And questions, as explained earlier, will be displayed only once. We will not go back and forth in the flow, because that will lead to complete chaos and utter mayhem on the scoring and the registration of answers. Okay, we'll now take you through the questions just to give you an example of how it's going to run. You can then better explain it to your children so that they are prepared for the quiz. One last point. There are 2 focus themes this year. Normally, the quiz has 1 focus theme. This year, there are 2 focus themes. For the juniors, it is Wildlife and Nature of India. And for the seniors, it's Science and Technology of India. Now, please remember, these are focus themes. So there will be a focus on these subjects, on these fields. That doesn't mean that all the questions will be on these. So at its crux or at its base, the Inter-DPS quiz is a general awareness program meant for the children to enhance and enlarge their spheres of learning. So 30% to 35%, basically 1/3 of the questions will be based on the theme. The others will be general awareness and current affairs. Okay. I hope that's clear. If you have any points, any queries, please put them into chat so that we have this on record and we can get back to you. In case after this session is over, you have any further questions, please route them through the host school. They will send them to us. I will request Swati ma'am to please forward those queries to us so that we can respond to them.
Sure, sir. I'll do that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Great. So we'll now go into our question and answer session. I'm just turning off my video so that there's no distraction. I hope everyone can hear me. In case I'm not audible, please let me know in chat. Okay. I will. Yeah. Okay. So when we come to that, that's why I'm explaining to you. That's why I put the question up there. So this is the sample of the multiple choice question. First question. Okay, let's keep going with this one. Okay, the multiple choice question. Which Formula One driver won his first ever race at the 2020 Italian Grand Prix in Monza? You have three options there. A. Carlos Sainz Jr., B. Alex Albon, C. Pierre Gasly. Now what you have to do is, as soon as I put out DPS Guwahati, you're jumping the gun. You have to wait for me to put out the start answering question one line or the gate in the chat, and only then will you put in the answer. Otherwise, it will not be considered for scoring. Okay, so you have to put in only the answer option. If you want to put A, you'll put A. If you think it's B, you'll put B, or C, you'll put C. Okay, you don't have to write down the full answer option, just whether it's A, B, or C. You can start answering now. Your time has started. Okay, stop. Your time is up, and that is it. No more answers will be entertained. Is that clear? Okay, so that's how it goes. Start to stop. We'll do it once again. We'll go to question number 2. I think that's a good amount of time for you to answer the questions. Question number 2. Which sage donated his bones so that Indra could get his weapon, the Vajra? Your three options are A. Angiras, B. Dadhichi, C. Parashar. And you can start answering your question number 2 now. Okay, just write B once if you think it's B. Someone has put in some 14 Bs, I think. DPS Balko, Korba. I know you're very happy that you know the answer, but please do not put in multiple Bs. There are no multiple Bs. Okay, so that's how it's going, and it's very good. I think all of you have got the funda clear, if I may use that term. Well done. Let's do another quick question. Question number 3. Okay, then we'll move on to the next format. Which now ubiquitous device, when first demonstrated by John F. Mitchell and Martin Cooper in 1973, weighed 2 kilograms? A. CD player, B. Laptop, C. Mobile phone. Your answering time starts now. Okay, time is up, 15, 16 seconds maybe by the time that popped up on my screen. Please remember, you can answer only once. No multiple answers. I think this has been said once before. I'm reiterating. Every team can submit only one answer. I hope that's clear. If you give in multiple answers, the first answer that we get from any team will be considered. No other answer will be considered from any team. Okay, so only one answer. Don't give me multiple answers. Okay, DPS Howrah wants to know, will there be a timer on screen? No, there won't be a timer on screen because it gets too complicated. We have to then have multiple screen shares or multiple taps to start this. And you know how it goes. The more moving parts you have, the more chances of something going wrong. So I will be timing with my stopwatch, and I will start the stopwatch only when I put out the start sign, and I will put out the stop sign after 15 seconds. So you will definitely get at least 1.5 seconds extra over the 15 seconds. Okay, I hope that's clear. Please do try and answer. It doesn't matter if you're right, wrong right now. This is more to understand how it's going to happen. Okay, so yeah, we will, Prasad, we will send all the rules. They have already been sent to the schools. I think you have these. We will still send you another. We are going to make a recap mail from these sessions addressing whatever. Okay, typing correct answer by mistake repeatedly, will it be disqualified? You mean like you did B, 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 B many times? No, I think you're just trying to overemphasize, but try and avoid that DPS Balco. We won't mark it wrong if it's done once. Rakesh Kumar, if you've said A and A twice, that's still fine. It's not, see, we're not out to penalize the children. We don't want to give them, a complex about being able to not answer something. We want them to answer, so we will encourage them to do that. But yeah, please do tell them to be careful about how they answer. Okay. Prachi Goel wants a specimen of the nomenclature. I think that can be sent.
That will send, sir. Yeah.
And Prasad wants it to be sent in the WhatsApp group. I'm not part of that, so
I'll send it, sir. I'll send
great.
it.
Thank you, ma'am. DPS Howrah is asking, will the fastest answer be a criteria after start message? No. All questions are worth 1 point. All correct answers will get only 1 point. So if you are the first in or second in or third in, it doesn't matter. You just need to get your correct answer in before the stop sign goes out.
Aditya sir, I have one query probably. Say a school has entered incorrect answer first and then probably changes the answer within stipulated time. So that would be considered, or only the first answer is going to be considered?
Only the first answer.
This needs to be clarified.
I said this earlier also.
Okay, sir. Probably
if there are multiple answers coming in from a school, only the first answer will be considered for scoring. Otherwise, there are 3 options. You can just write A once, B once, and C once. Right hoga na. So only one, and that will be the first answer. With one device, how will 3 headphones be connected? You don't need 3 headphones. Ideally, if you can use a splitter so that the children can hear better, great. You need only 2 sets of headphones for the kids to answer. But if you have a good speaker system, you don't really need headphones. Okay, like right now I'm not using headphones. I think I can hear everyone clearly, and everyone can hear me clearly. Okay, but if you want, you can use a splitter to make it better for the kids to hear the sound. Okay, couple more. Do the teams answer after start is written? Yes. DPS Ruby Park, you can answer earlier, but it won't be considered for scoring, even if it's right. I said that once. I'm saying it again. I don't want to say it again and again. Dulal Chandra Sil, star questions will be informed to the participants before the questions. The question itself will have a star on it, right? So you will know when the question text appears on screen that it is a star question. I hope that answers your question. Okay, let's move on to the next type of question, which is the direct oral. Let's go to question number, let's do 6 and 10 because we didn't do 10 earlier. Okay, question number 6. In 1991-92, who became the first person to be awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, then India's highest honor for sports? Okay, your time to answer starts now. Okay, DPS Howrah, jump the gun again. You answered before I put out the start gate, before I opened the gate, so to say. And time up. Okay, so lots of people getting the answers in the stipulated window. So just be careful. The fastest answer is not going to get you anything extra. You need to just make sure that your correct answer comes in the window allotted. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Let's go to question number 10. Yeah. If the Indian cruise missile BrahMos gets its name partially from the Brahmaputra, which other river gives its name to it? So if the Indian cruise missile BrahMos gets its name partially from the Brahmaputra, which other river gives its name to it? And your time, 15 seconds, starts now. DPS Howrah is asking if spelling mistakes will be counted. Minor mistakes like a letter here or there will not cost you or penalize you. But in case the spelling mistake changes the answer, then of course we will have to seriously consider not accepting that as a correct answer. So in this case, let's say the other river is the Moskva. If you've written like Rakesh Kumar has written Muskwa, that's okay. We know you know the answer. DPS Fulbari has written Moskva, which is correct. DPS Bokaro has written Moskova, which also we will allow because we know you know the answer there. DPS Duars has written Mississippi. Now that is obviously not going to be considered a spelling mistake. It's not the correct answer. But let's say if you completely change the answer, then yeah, we will not consider that a spelling mistake. Okay, one more question. Direct oral. Let's go to the next one. Question 11. With which university has the pharmaceuticals giant AstraZeneca collaborated to create a vaccine against COVID-19? Okay, this is current affairs. Your time starts now. Perfect. DPS Dwar getting it in right when I opened the gate. But all the other people answering correctly now or answering in any case, very good, because you're getting it in right in the slot. And your time is up. 15 seconds up. DPS Durgapur, a little late there. So you can keep a timer if you like, or just keep it in your mind that how long 15 seconds is. And about latest by 13 or 14 seconds, by your counting, you should be able to put in the answer. Because after that, it becomes iffy. Okay? Okay, perfect. Now let's go and take a look at some of the visual questions that we'll be putting out, where we will give you 20 seconds, not 15, but 20 seconds. Okay, question number 16. What name is given to this kind of contraption created by using an irrigation pump set as an engine? That is your question. Sorry, my bad. I should have, this is the visual. The visual normally comes first, then the answer gate opens. Okay, you can start answering now. And I'll give you that 5-7 seconds extra. Okay, giving you 5 seconds extra. And here it is. Okay, so that's it. That's your time up. No more answers accepted. Let's go to question number 18. Identify this scientist for whom one of the highest awards in the country is named. Take a look at the picture and your timer will start after the picture has been revealed. Okay, question number 18, start answering. Thanks. And your time is up. So 20 seconds this time. If you notice, you got a little longer to answer. Okay. So no more answers accepted after stop. Now the way we do it is we will be downloading all the chat. So whenever it pops up or whatever order that we get off the Zoom system, that is from their server, we will be considering and counting correct answers from that. So therein, if your answer comes in late, it is as per the official Zoom record. And we will have this only downloading this. We're not going to just watch and see who answered when. Only when we have downloaded the chat, we will then total up your scores. Okay, so we have an official record which is coming to us from Zoom. Okay, next question. Let's do one more. Question number 20. For which mythological object was this HAL? HAL is Hindustan Aeronauticals Limited. HAL designed aircraft named. This is your visual, and you can start answering question 20 now. DPS Howrah, the question will first be asked, then the visual will be shown so that you know what to look for in the image that is shown to you. Okay, stop. Okay, now interestingly, see the question was for which mythological object? Someone has written Bhim, someone has written Garud. Garud is not an object. You have to read carefully. And please tell your children also, please read questions correctly or clearly, carefully, so that you understand the questions. Jatayu, Baz, Garud, these are all not objects. These are living creatures. So you need to get that clue from the question text. Okay, so that's how the questions are going. And Balko, Bokaro, you're a little late there. Any questions, please put them in chat. Like I said, we will be doing a recap email after the entire set of sessions is over. And we will send that email across to DPS Society, just addressing whatever we have done or revised so that you know what needs to be done. And we'll also send out a copy of the gameplay rules and regulations. Okay. Anything else? Any direct questions that you have, please put it into the chat. Children will rename themselves. Ideally, you guys will be renaming or naming the children or the teams when they enter. I think that has been shared earlier in the emails from DPS Society. And the coordinator.
Aditya sir, here I would like to intervene.
Yes.
When they join as an attendee, they can't rename themselves.
No, but
so
they
what
can
have
join,
all? Yes.
when they join, they have an option of joining under the name of the existing name or.
Yes, I already
Yes.
told them, Kajal. I've
Yes.
already said that they can make the changes when they are joining. They get this option of first name and last name,
Yeah.
which has already been stated. Yeah.
So once they have joined, they can, as an attendee, they can't. But when they join, they have the option
Yes.
of putting in whatever name they want.
Yes.
So ideally, you should do it then. If someone does not do it or forgets to do it or is unable to manage, then I'm sure the host school will do it for them.
Yes, sir, we do it.
Okay.
Okay. Now there's a question. Throw light on the code of conduct of the coordinator. The coordinator is there basically to ensure that the quiz is done properly. It's as per the rules and format that is laid out. And C, very importantly, your job is to make sure that the contest is played fairly. So your job is not to ensure that your team wins by any method, hook or by crook. You have to make sure that the children are relaxed, they're happy, they're giving their best, and they're giving their best. This is not a test of how smartly they can Google on the side or you can Google for them. It's a test of their knowledge skills at the end of the day. So only to make sure that the kids are comfortable, and play according to the rules. Coordinator is not to be seen on the screen. No. Coordinator is not to be seen on the screen. The children are to be seen on the screen because they are the team. They are going to take part. Your job is to sit on the side and assist them with any issues that they may have. Okay, Prasad is asking if questions related only Indian science and technology. I said this earlier. Science and technology of India is of theme focus for the seniors. For the juniors, it is wildlife and nature of India. So there will be questions on these, 1/3 in each of the cases. The balance will be general awareness and current affairs, general knowledge. Okay, direct oral questions do not include audio-based questions. The big issue with audio and video, playing it over Zoom, is the network connectivity. If you cannot make out what is being sung or spoken or said, then it's a big problem for which you are not to blame. It is the system that is at fault, which is why which are basically heavier, they need higher bandwidth to operate efficiently. Zoom works much better, which is why we've chosen Zoom. Okay, does that answer everyone's questions? Like I said, if you can think of something else, any other queries that you want me to answer, please route it to us, mail it to us through the host school, and I'm sure we'll be able to get back to you as soon as we can. Are we good then, Swati ji?
Yes, sir. Like if they come up with any query or problem, probably we would let you all know and come up with solution for them.
Yeah, definitely. Sure. Okay, then we've finished in fantastic time. I think this has gone very smoothly.
Thanks a lot, sir. With all your support and guidance, we could do it.
Thank you very much for organizing it so efficiently.
A lot, sir.
Dolly ji, we'll see you in next meeting.
Yes, yeah, Dolly ma'am.
Yes, Dolly ma'am. Swati.
Yeah, Dolly ma'am, I think Aditya sir and his team would like to leave, and I would just continue with our session.
Continue? Yes.
Yeah, yes. With few guidelines that I have to give. Yeah.
And if there are, how many schools did not join in?
Dolly ma'am, as of now, we don't have the accurate statistics.
So what you need, Swati, to just find out and then call them up and ask them why they didn't.
Sure.
And then maybe brief them a little so that
Yes, ma'am.
they don't
Yeah,
have
we'll do
problems.
that.
And because of those one or few of them, we don't want everybody
Any
to
sort
have
of glitch. Yes,
get
ma'am.
delayed because of that. Okay.
Right, ma'am.
All the
Right.
best, dear. Wonderfully done.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations.
Thanks for all
Very,
your
very
support,
proud of you
ma'am.
all.
Just
God
a
bless. Take
suggestion,
care.
Swati,
I'll go to the other meeting. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Dolly, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
Aditya, sir.
Swati, you've been recording this, right?
Yes,
So
sir. I have
you can,
it. Yeah, I
if you
have
want, you can share, upload this onto the drive or to YouTube.
I'll do
Share
that,
it
sir.
with the school so that they can refer
Yeah.
to this in case
I'll do that, sir.
they have any
For sure. I'll do.
ones that missed out. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. See, I think almost we have covered and touched all the points, but I think all the participating schools need to just focus on one thing, and that is safety and security of our students. And that is all the time, be it the quiz is happening to be in your school, at your place, at a student's place, the coordinator has to all the time be with the student, and the students are not supposed to be left alone, or I mean all the time the coordinator has to accompany the students. So please, this is point one. Second, ensure that you have consents from all the parents. If a child is moving from one, definitely one child has to move. So in either cases, you need consent from the parents on attending this particular quiz at whichever venue or place they are going to do that. Second is that I already said uniform has to be there for all the schools. Students have to come in uniform. And naming convention, naming nomenclature, please needs to be strictly followed, because for so many schools, again, renaming here is not easy for us to do. And it really becomes difficult to count the schools. And second, like I told you all, you'd be getting 2 links, one for juniors, one for seniors. And junior coordinator would log in for their students, along with their students, and senior coordinator would log in or register for their team. And while registering itself, please mention your first name and last name correctly. Please cooperate with us on this so that there's no problem, renaming the teams again and again, asking you all your names at that point in time. So let's just stick to all these things. And if there's anything, anyhow, we can help you all. We are all connected on a WhatsApp group, and we can just go ahead. And if there's anything you have to ask, please let me know. You can raise your hands. Okay, I can see 2 participants raising their hands. Okay, so have you, you may just put your question in the chat box. Okay, you're asking about rules and regulations. See, I think this presentation is already shared with all the schools. And as far as nomenclature goes, I would share it with all the schools. Okay, nomenclature I would be putting in the group. Anything else, please, just you can put it in the chat box. Any query that you all have. Aditya sir, I think, has already catered to all the issues. How to go about what? I think Anandita Mukherjee is asking a question. You're not added in the WhatsApp group. Kajal, please check to it. Anandita Mukherjee ma'am is not added in the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, if you could just share your WhatsApp number with us, the number that you must have given, that's why our teachers must have not added you.
Anandita ma'am, please, in the chat box, give your number. Kajal would just pick your number and add you in the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, I'm giving my WhatsApp number in the chat. You please message me your details.
Right. Yeah, okay. Ma'am, when the consents are to be sent through which platform? See, I'll give you all the details pertaining to the consent. As of now, you just do one thing, keep your consents ready with you all. Okay, every school needs to be ready with their consent form, and I'll get in touch with you all how to go about it. I'll just let you all know, okay, in a day's time.
One thing which I would like to add, Swati ma'am, that please
Video
ensure
on
that
facility, I'll
Yes.
just let you all know in today's session we didn't have. See, your preliminary round is going to be just, like you did type on your chat box. Only the 6 qualifying teams would be changed to panelists and they would be able to share their video and audio. You don't have to worry about it. Yeah, Kajal, you may just go. Kajal, you were saying something? Okay, anything?
I was just adding one more thing, that the teacher coordinators, please ensure that whichever device you're using on that finale day, please ensure that the webcam is properly is working in a working condition. The audio and video are in a working condition.
Obviously hardware should be checked, software वो आपको बिल्कुल device अपना checked रखना है. Anything else? Any other query anyone has? Okay. See, I think Kajal has already shared her mobile number. Okay, all of you, please note Kajal's mobile number and send your number details to Kajal. She'll add you all in the group. But yes, along with that, do give your school name and give your name as senior coordinator or junior coordinator for the school. I hope everyone's able to see Kajal's number in the chat
There
box.
in the chat box, yes.
Yeah. Okay. So can we, just wind it up? Any other query anyone has? Kajal, I think again I would say Kajal's number you all are able to see. Just send in any query related to WhatsApp group to Kajal on that number. She'll add you all. Kajal, they are saying they're not able to see your number. Are they not able to see?
I have
Panelists?
already mentioned in the chat, I'm redoing it once
Yeah.
again.
Now Kajal is
Yes.
again adding her number in the chat box. Are you all able to see it? The number is not visible, they are saying, Kajal.
It's very much there.
And okay, not visible. Okay, Kajal, do one thing. Kajal, you
I think,
just do one
yeah,
thing.
I understood. I understood. I have to change my settings. Okay.
Because they would not be able to see.
No, it's already there. All attendees and all panelists can see my. Okay, 1 minute. So I'm
Then
redoing it. Okay, I'm redoing it.
Redo it. Otherwise, do one thing.
Yes, I've done it, and I'm sure now all the schools can see my number. Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Please.
Thanks, Kajal. Okay, so all of you now, please, if any query pertaining to not being in the WhatsApp group, you may send your contact details to Kajal ma'am and she will add you to the group. Anything else? If there's anything, otherwise we can wind it up for the day.
Once I add you in the WhatsApp group, we can address all the queries in the WhatsApp group itself. So I'll just add you in our WhatsApp group, which we have created for all the schools.
Any query left? It's a last call. You may just type in the chat box. We can address to it. Otherwise, we could just wind up for today. And I really like to thank you all. Our school is new. Just wait a minute. Piyush, I think I already had a talk with you regarding this, Piyush, sir. For this, Dolly ma'am said that they can just wear a white t-shirt or something and can have a green badge having the school name on it. Is it fine with you, Piyush, sir? Piyush, sir? Will this help? Okay, sir. Yeah, so a white shirt and a green badge having the name of your school on it. That would be okay. Yeah. Anything else? See, for first name and last name, when you are registering, okay, now see, henceforth, what are you going to do? You're going to register senior quiz and junior quiz separately. So now, your first, junior coordinator is going to register for the junior quiz. Now, when you start registering, you have to give your first name and last name. Now, again, I would be putting it on the WhatsApp group as well, but just for y'all, the first name has to be, say, DPS Durgapur. Okay, that is your first name, DPS Durgapur. Now say Amit and Sushant from DPS Durgapur are participating. So what are you going to write in the last name? If it's junior, you would write JQ, Amit, space, Sushant. JQ space Amit space Sushant. So it's going to be DPS Durgapur JQ Amit Sushant. This is going to be your complete display name. I hope it is clear to each one of you now. DPS Numaligarh. Okay. And if there's anything, we could anytime connect with each other in the group. We are always there for any query or doubt that you all have. We are all in the group. Each one of us from DPS Greater Noida is in the team, and we'd always be really happy to answer all your queries. So not a problem. We have a week's time and we can all work on it. So we may wind it up now, Kajal.
Yes.
Registration, Anandita ma'am, registration for the finale. Registration for the finale. You'll be again getting 2 links. Okay, one for senior, one for junior. It's regarding that I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, so see you all and we'll keep in touch in the group. And thanks a lot for cooperating. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you all the schools.